Hey guys, welcome back. Today is May 16th and it's 1:21 in the afternoon and I am about to go out of town, you guys. So right now I am sitting in front of his job so he can take this paper to work because he got injured. So he had to go to the doctor today. So that's why we're leaving a little bit later in the evening, but I'm just sitting in the car right now. I had to fix my settings for this car because it's a rental and it's kind of dark in here. I don't know, but super excited to go on this trip. I don't know how I feel about my hair. And this car has like CarPlay, so like it shows like when somebody texts and stuff. Kind of cool. But it's gonna take us about 3 hours and some change to get there, which isn't bad, but I'm just waiting for him to come out. These are my nails. I actually changed my thumb to black instead of white. But yeah, I'm gonna just sit here and listen to some music. It won't do it!
Did you cry? You about to act a fool.
Like, where my mama at? I had to fix the light.
I need it for the stuff.
Then why you tell me to do my music? Actually not that bad out here. Please focus, camera. I mean, I think tomorrow's supposed to be better weather. Come on, Mom. Come on. So she can see the water. Okay, she didn't enter, so I guess I sent her a video. Kyrie! Hi, Mama Tink! Hey, baby! What you doing? Look, Mommy's filming. You want to say hi? Hold on, let me flip it. Say hi. Say hi. I love you. Give me a kiss. Ooh. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay, baby. We're almost at the little statue. Can you see it? Yeah, I think it looks more farther away on the phone than it does in person because we're like, I mean, we're kind of far, but yeah. My legs burn so bad.
30th Street.
Huh? Oh, I didn't mean to make him upset. Mommy want to show you the thing. I'm almost there. Camera. Can you see it? Look, Bubba.